Hi everyone, it's Miss Eastwood here with another story for you. I know at Pine Tree we all read Can I Be Your Dog because it was one of the New Hampshire Ladybug book nominees, and actually the winner. It won. Everybody loved it. But I was thinking that some of you at home might want to share this story with your family, your parents, siblings, whoever's at home with you. Since we recently read I Found a Kitty, it might be cool to have the backstory of Can I Be Your Dog? So this story was also written by Troy Cummings. It's called Can I Be Your Dog? There's a dedication in here. It says, to the real Arfie. Can I be your dog? Dear people at Yellow House, woof! Can I be your dog? I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first. Dear Arfie, we're so sorry, but you could not be our dog. Our cat is, allergic to dogs. Good luck in your search. The Honeywells. Dear Butcher Lady, can I be your dog? I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep the floor nice and clean. Signed, Arfie. The Chop Chop Butcher Shop. Look, pal, I've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. Signed, Veronica Shank, Butcher. P.S. No hard feelings, I guess. Enjoy these dry giblets and good luck finding a home. Nom, nom, nom. Dear Fire Station number 5, can I be your dog? I can fetch your boots. Plus, let's just say I know my way around a fire hydrant. I've sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street. And yours is the shiniest. Arfie. Butternut Street Fire Station. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search. Station number 5. Oh, what does Arfie think about that letter? Dear Junkyard Guy, I'm not gonna lie, you're my next to last choice. But these past few days have been rough. So, please, can I be your dog? I don't eat much, and I can bark if people try to steal your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie. Dear Mutt, get lost. Poor Arfie. Dear Last House on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell, but I'm not picky, just lonely. Signed, Arfie. Arfie. Return to sender. Nobody at this address. And it got sent back to Arfie. Soggy box in the alley. Oh, poor Arfie. It looks like he's going home back to his soggy box in the alleyway. But when he wakes up, there's a note on his door. Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what. Snow, rain, heat, or gloom of night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first-class partner. With hugs and head scratches, Mitzi Whipple, letter carrier. P.S. If you agree, meet me at the big blue mailbox. Oh, let me see. Letter carrier. No sign of Arfie yet. Is he gonna meet her? Let's see. He comes running! Dear Mitzi, you know what? My tail has been wagging ever since I got your note. My answer is yes! Truly yours, Arfie. P.S. Woof! Scratch, scratch. And that is the end of Can I Be Your Dog?